Hey there, money makers. Welcome back to Wealth Unlocked, your go-to channel for learning how to build real income online, one smart move at a time. In today's video, I'm breaking down 6 powerful ways you can start earning money online in 2025, even if you're starting with no experience, no tech skills, and just a mobile phone. Whether you're in Africa, Asia, or anywhere in the world, these methods are working right now and they're perfect for beginners. Imagine earning money while sitting at home, working at your own pace, and turning your phone into a money machine. Sounds good? Then let's dive in. First up, freelancing. This is simply offering a skill you have, and getting paid for it. Can you write? Make designs? Edit videos? Or even type fast? Then freelancing is for you. Go to Fiverr or Upwork, create a free account, and list your services. Start small. Offer basic gigs like social media posts, article writing, or logo designs. As you complete jobs and get positive reviews, your earnings and confidence grow. Freelancing is one of the fastest ways to earn online, especially if you stay consistent and deliver quality. Online surveys and micro tasks. Next, we have online surveys and micro tasks. This is perfect for complete beginners. No skills required. Websites like Ysense and Swagbucks pay you for completing surveys, watching ads, or clicking links. It's not a get-rich method, but if you're just starting, you can earn some quick cash while learning other skills. Set aside 30 minutes daily, and stay consistent. Content creation, with AI tools. Now let's talk about content creation, made easier with AI tools. Platforms like Opera News Hub and Medium pay you to post articles. What do you write about? Anything you're passionate about, like fitness, finance, tech, or health. Use tools like ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas, create outlines, or even write drafts. Post regularly and stay consistent, and as your views grow, so does your income. Once you're confident, offer content creation as a service to businesses. Print on demand. Here's a passive income method, print on demand. Platforms like Amazon KDP let you create notebooks, journals, or planners, with your own designs. You upload it once, and Amazon handles printing and shipping. Use Canva to design. Keep it simple, no graphic skills are needed. When someone buys, you earn, without touching any inventory. It's perfect for creative minds, or anyone willing to try. Up next, affiliate marketing. You promote someone else's product, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Use platforms like Digistore24 or Jimmy Affiliate to find products. Promote them using YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Facebook, or even WhatsApp. But remember, give value. Recommend what you trust. Build your audience slowly and they'll buy from you. Last but not least, virtual assistants. You can get paid to help businesses with simple tasks like managing emails, scheduling posts, or handling chats. Search for jobs in Facebook groups or on Upwork. Start by offering one skill, like social media management or email replies. Once you're in, deliver excellent service, and word will spread. Here are 5 quick tips for online success. 1. Focus on one method first. Don't try everything at once. 2. Learn daily. Watch tutorials, read blogs, and grow. 3. Be patient. Your first $1 is the hardest, but it gets easier. 4. Plan your time. Even 1 hour a day can change your life. 5. Join online communities for support and opportunities. So there you have it, 6 real ways to make money online in 2025, with no experience needed. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe to Wealth Unlocked, and share this video with someone who needs it. Also, make sure you subscribe because, in our next video, we'll go deep into print on demand, how to design, publish, and earn money step by step. Plus, we'll show you how to become a powerful content creator, even if you've never written before. Thanks for watching, and always remember, your journey to financial freedom starts today. Keep hustling, and I'll see you in the next one.